life could have worse. So me a search for happiness.
Yeah, you know, Shreps, you know. With the out there, see it there? A better life, a good life rather. Fitness. I decided to go take on the gym that year, you see me? Yeah man, so I see what I go on that place. I meet my general manager, he's going to teach me the way, you see me?
Oh,
yeah, this is the Filipino guy.
Oh shit, so I'm gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah,
so I'm gonna be famous too, you know?
But you're gonna be on YouTube soon.
Alright, so you follow me a link down there, it's gonna be put in there, so
I want to know man. Yeah man, I'm gonna train me in that gym, you know? So I wanna get little muscle.
Yeah, put
a
some
good youth. I wait for him to forward. You see where that journey I take me to now? So 24-hour access, good life. Now wait for him still. I think him there in there yet. Get a little muscle. They are gym in a youth. So I'm telling you man. They are gym my youth.
What?
I'm at the gym fam.
Oh yes sir, I'm going right now, so cut me out now.
Oh yeah man, me the right at the door my youth.
I'm coming there, give me 2 minutes. I'm literally right there right now.
Bushman, I'm to that Bushman. Yeah man, big up yourself. Big up yourself. I'm downstairs, brethren. Yeah man, big up. He is going to be giving me like a week pass. I'm going to test it out and see if I like it. If I don't like it, maybe a different gym. You see me, man? You know? That's what I'm going to do. I'm not very sure exactly if we're allowed to have my thing there inside. You feel me, I say? So yeah, not sure if I'm allowed my camera inside. I see people look for me weird, like they're not used to vlogging. Well, my area don't have a vlogger in Ashawa. I'm the first Ashawa vlogger, you see me? Up top. Proud to be the first. So let's go and chat and wait till I come. Most of them are probably come and say, I'm going to youth, skinny youth, probably at front, but from last year, I say this. And right now we're in May. I say once May hit, and I get my life and things set up to get a certain way, I'm going to hit the gym. I'm going to hit the gym and I'm not turn back like. Look on a healthier journey, a fitter journey. I'm skinny, I'm like it. I just want a little muscle. You see me, so? Yeah, see me? What food the way I eat? Yeah, now I'm sitting, see eh? Yo, what did you eat? See, I got food in my hand and yam. Okay, and yam, see man.
Came from what we're starving, what do you want?
Yeah man, tell the people what I go on. The first day of my journey, so this is going to be my trainer. I can't carry my camera in there, right?
Hello guys, I'm going to be a trainer for today. Not actually a trainer.
Not a real trainer, but I'm going to show me the gym.
He's going to train the basic thing that he needs to know when you go to the gym to build some fucking gains. You see me?
Yo, stop because I'm about to bad way. The thing is kid.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and
and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through.
What? How are you, man?
Yo. One more, closer. One more. Yeah, bomb. There you go. Do 6. For Jamir. 7. 8. Yes. Okay.
Make this shit look easy, Virgin. It's not that easy, Virgin. Yo.
Easy, eh?
Easy.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
My battery died, you know? Big up Raja. Was a good workout, brethren. Right now my feet there, like my legs hurting as hell. You see me in the gym. But one thing I must tell you for sure still, what I don't like about the gym, the naked man them in the bathroom and walk around with all them flash. Brother, what if we put on clothes in the gym now, man? You understand? Every man wants to see that, you know? I see this old man, one naked man as me step in the gym. This guy was just naked, swinging. I'm like, come on, man. But you're not basketball. No, man, I said that brother not gonna put on clothes, man. But differently, the gym, it's good. So Roger suggested I get one of these after every workout. See, generally, big up yourself, youth.
happy line. You have to work